We've been looking for it for a decade. The ninth planet, a giant world hiding in the dark beyond Neptune. We found its shadow in the orbits of ice, and we found its weight in the math. Yet we aimed every telescope we built and found nothing, because we were looking for the wrong thing. It's not a planet. It's not a world. The data suggests a hole, a black hole forged in the first second of the Big Bang, and it's only the size of a bowling ball. Look at the edge of our system beyond Pluto, past the Kuiper Belt, where on the frozen pitch black rim something massive is playing puppet master with the ice. Small, icy worlds are being violently yanked out of their natural circles, while their orbits are elongated, warped, and tilted as if an invisible ghost is anchoring them to the dark. This is the lonely truth of our outer solar system, something we cannot see, something that should not exist. The math demands a monster with the gravity of 5 Earths in a space where nothing should live, but the light reveals nothing, no glow, no heat, no world. So if it's not a planet, what is it? What kind of ghost weighs more than Earth and fits in your hand? The lead theory, a primordial black hole born before stars, before galaxies, before light had meaning when the universe was hot and dense and broken. The Big Bang didn't just make matter, it made scars, collapsed knots of space-time that are tiny and ancient and eternal. One of them fell into our system. Not a world, but a wound. A bowling ball of gravity 3 inches wide but 5 times the mass of Earth, silent and dark and patient. A subatomic anchor dragging the edge of our system. And it's not alone. A black hole this small drags a halo of dark matter, an invisible mass that drags through the Kuiper Belt like a net. Every comet that falls toward the sun and every dwarf planet with a broken orbit are not random. They're slingshot by an invisible predator. The outer solar system isn't empty. It's a minefield, and we live inside it. The dinosaurs didn't see it coming. The ice that killed them was thrown, and the data points to a black hole we still cannot find. We are not at the center of the system. We are living in the gravity of a ghost. Think about the scale, 3 inches. A hole you could lose in a desk drawer, yet it outmasses our entire planet 5 times over. And it's out there now, circling, waiting. The archive calls it a primordial black hole, but that's just a name. The truth is, we are not the masters of this system. We are tenants living in the orbit of a scar from the Big Bang. We've sent probes to the edge, Voyager and New Horizons. They sailed through its kingdom, never knowing because we told them to look for worlds, not wounds. So we wait. We watch the ice. We measure the shadows, hoping it stays quiet, hoping it stays far. Because if a bowling ball can steer planets, what happens if it decides to come closer? The archive is open. System telemetry is stable. For now. This is Synapse Snaps. Join the hunt.